bachelor's programs actually. A lot of the universities, they are offering scholarships also. For bachelor's also, same, we need the English proficiency test. The test is mandatory. Some universities require SAT exam also. Like GRE, here SAT is one of the standardized tests actually. It is part of the admission requirement.
Let's dive straight into the topic. Yeah, so I understood about masters and regarding MS and MBA. So what about bachelors? What are the courses or what are the options available for persons who are opting to do bachelors in USA?
Yeah, we have all the options actually. Like some students actually, they completed their intermediate, okay, with maths, physics and chemistry.
Yes.
Okay, they can opt for BS computer science or BS computer engineering, BS electrical engineering, BS mechanical engineering. BS means Bachelor of Science.
Yeah.
Okay, according to their interest, they can take BS biotechnology, biomedical. Okay, based on their interest, they can take it.
Okay. So how is the frequency? Are many people opting for bachelors in USA, or it's not that much famous?
Yeah, actually previously it was very low. From the past almost 4 to 5 years, the number is bit increased for the bachelors also. Nowadays actually some students and the parents also showing interest to send their children to do bachelors in the USA. Here with bachelors also, students go for all kinds of whatever we are doing here. We can get all kinds of courses also over there.
So for masters, we need to write IELTS, TOEFL, and GRE, GMAT, etc., etc. For bachelors, are there any exams which they need to write to get into USA?
For bachelors also, same. We need the English proficiency test. The test is mandatory.
Similar to the IELTS,
yes.
TOEFL, any one of these exams they need to attempt.
Students should take at least one among these 4. Okay. Even if it's IELTS, TOEFL, Duolingo or PTE. But IELTS is suggestible, as I already told you. Here also we have some universities with IELTS score 6 also, but 6.5 is the suggestible score.
Okay.
And along with the English proficiency test, some universities require SAT exam also. Okay. Like GRE, here SAT is one of the standardized tests actually. It is part of the admission requirement. But not required for all the universities. So a lot of universities are asking for the SAT. Even without SAT also, we can apply.
Okay. So what is the SAT exam? Any qualifying marks? How to apply about it?
SAT, we can apply directly through the website actually. The student can register for the test by entering all the basic details. Then student can schedule the appointment. It's completely center based only. Just we need to select the center. Just we need to book the appointment for the test. Then on the day of test, student can go and take the test. Here the test contains actually science, mathematics and the English. The overall test is for 1600 marks. Okay. And on average, if a student score 1100, 1200, 1300, it's an ideal score. Some case students, those who scored less than 1000 also, there is a possibility. But the ideal is 1200, 1300. It's an ideal score.
Out of 1600.
Yes. Here for the bachelor's programs actually, a lot of the universities, they are offering scholarships also. Here in intermediate actually, students should have almost 8, 9. It's a common GPA in India. Out of 10, 8, 9 it's common in India.
Yes.
If we are having that many GPA and with proper good SAT score, there will be a chance for good scholarships also for the bachelor's programs.
What are any top universities or any good universities you know about bachelors?
There are a lot of universities like this University of Texas at Arlington, San Jose State University, Portland State University, California State University, Northridge, Oklahoma State University, and Wichita State University, State University of New York at Buffalo, State University of New York at Albany, Southern Illinois University, Edwardsville. A lot of universities are there for bachelor's program.
So which programs are generally preferred by the students? Like is it MBBS or mainly engineering programs, or what type of programs generally bachelor's students prefer?
Most of the students actually, if the intermediate MPC, maths, physics and chemistry background students, they are looking for the technology related courses. Like IT related programs like computer science, information technology, and this civil engineering, mechanical engineering, biotechnology, these kind of courses. Some students from the life sciences background, like BPC students, they are looking for BS biology or BS in biotechnology or BS in chemistry, BS in physics, Bachelor of Science in Physics. Okay, these kind of courses in general, math students look differently, and this BPC students looks differently. The universities are a bit different. The programs also a bit different.
Okay. What are the admission or intake seasons generally for the USA? And as this video is brought to you by VmapU, your trusted partner in realizing overseas dreams since 2009. With expert counseling, personalized guidance, visa assistance and more. They have helped around 1.5 lakh students achieve their international dreams. Whether it's pursuing MS in USA, MBA in UK or in any other country, contact VmapU by clicking on the link below. Register yourself by entering name, email ID and phone number, and they will call you back within 24 hours to guide and turn your aspirations into reality. And VmapU also offers free SOP maker, free LOR maker and free university shortlisting tool as well. Make sure to explore these. Thank you.